As we get older, it's more important than ever to keep our muscles strong. Muscle is the number one determinant of quality of life in older adults. This is because you must be able to do the activities of daily living, and you must be able to be mobile. For your own autonomy and independence, you must be able to do the things you once had the capability of doing. Hey there, my name is Nick, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of strength training and how important some simple strength training exercises into your routine can slow down the aging process and even improve your quality of life. I'll also be talking a little about the top 5 AgeTech companies that offer personalized fitness classes that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. For those of you that are new to the term AgeTech, it is just technology that is designed to meet the needs of older adults and those who care for them. As we age, our muscle mass decreases, which can lead to a number of health problems. Strength training is an important way to combat this muscle loss and improve the overall health. It's never too late to start strength training. In fact, it can be beneficial for people of all ages. Strength training doesn't require expensive equipment or a lot of time. You can do it at home with just a few basic pieces of equipment. There are many different types of strength training exercises that can be tailored to fit your individual needs. Strength training has been shown to improve cognitive function, balance, and mobility. And it's also a great way to stay active. As I mentioned earlier, I was going to discuss 5 AgeTech companies that offer personalized fitness classes for older adults. Without further ado, number 5, Balanced. Balanced allows you to turn devices like phones, tablets, computers, and TVs, pretty much anything with a screen, into gyms with group live classes and access to an archive of exhilarating on-demand classes. Their website is currently offering 2 weeks free to try it out. Number 4, Vivo. Vivo is the premier small group strength training fitness program designed specifically for adults 55 and older. And here's the best part. You do it all from home on your laptop or mobile device with a live certified trainer. Number 3, Spyro 100. Spyro 100 is an innovative video streaming fitness and wellness program for seniors, designed by a national award-winning program director for retirement community. Spyro 100 boasts the largest original library of senior wellness classes in the world and adds new classes every month. Their 150 plus classes are categorized by mind, body, and spirit and are searchable by activity levels ranging from fully seated to advanced. Over 30 classes are appropriate for use in memory care. They are committed to helping every senior live their best life at every age and is available through senior living communities or in the home. Number 2, Alive, Fit, and Free. At Alive, Fit, and Free, they are a community of modern seniors who are passionate about living better for longer. They offer live virtual classes for any age or ability, which brings you wellness, adventure, and connection. You can access their classes from the comfort of your home on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. One cool thing is that they offer virtual tours where you join passionate tour guides across the world in fascinating global experience. From Mongolia to Japan to Italy, you can explore the world without leaving home and meet a few friends along the way. And lastly, number 1, Bold. Each Bold class is rooted in science. They add on their website that they are all about the latest and greatest fall prevention studies. Their classes are led by an expert trainer and delivered on demand through their digital fitness platform. With their signature Bold tests and a simple quiz, they'll create a workout program customized for you, your fitness level, your goals, and your body. We'll leave links to each of the companies in the description below. As we mentioned before, how important exercise is to maintain muscle and be able to do more for longer. It also helps reduce falls. Catch us over in the next video in this series where we break down the best fall prevention and detection products there are out there.